Proven for over 50 years, FleetLine heavy-duty shocks by Gabriel are an industry leader in today's commercial vehicle OE and aftermarket. FleetLine offers a full line of all makes coverage for classes 3 through 8 trucks, trailers, and buses, including suspension shocks, cab shocks, and steering stabilizers. As a proven industry-preferred leader, FleetLine offers key advantages including best-in-class fade performance, greater energy-absorbing hydraulic stop, and superior anti-corrosion end mounts. Fade testing measures the amount of performance lost as the working shock temperature increases. As fade increases, it decreases the performance of the shock, causing wheel hop, sway, and uncontrolled movement of the vehicle. This can result in excessive tire wear, cargo damage, and poor handling, causing safety concerns. Industry standard fade testing proves FleetLine delivers 20% better performance over competitors' products. This means improved safety and vehicle control, enhanced braking effectiveness, and reduced tire and component wear for driver comfort. FleetLine offers best-in-class hydraulic stop, absorbing over 800% more energy than competitors' designs. Gabriel's design ensures a better cushion at full extension of the shock, which limits overextension of the suspension and prevents topping out damage to the shock. Without a hydraulic stop, extension limits of the suspension can be exceeded and damage to the shock and air spring may result, requiring replacement parts, labor, and downtime. Finally, you can save up to 2.5 hours of valuable downtime per 18-wheeler with FleetLine's end-mount anti-corrosion coating, which inhibits rust and prevents bolt seizure to the mounting sleeve, saving you up to $250 in labor costs, getting you back up and running faster than any of the competitors. Quality components, precision engineering, and a durable, robust design make FleetLine the best choice for your hardworking applications.